Very solid with my decision of not to play the game of basketball.
Hey guys, look who's finally ready to play.
Alright, what is going on, everyone? So we're here talking about the Air Jordan 9 golf shoe. So for me, the Air Jordan 9 is more than just a shoe. Honestly, it's a piece of my childhood, and my very first pair of Jordans were actually the 9s, a gift from my older brothers, and I still got them right here. These are my original 9s as my first pair of Jordans as a kid. So shout out to my older brothers for taking care of your younger brother. But anyways, you can imagine my excitement to really purchase and review these shoes, and not to mention also the nostalgia of watching Space Jam. And regarding Space Jam and the history, right? Like, did you know that MJ never wore the Air Jordan 9s on the NBA basketball court? And that's only because he hung up his sneakers. Basically, he retired to chase baseball dreams, which kind of explains why the 9s kind of look like baseball shoes or cleats. But anyways, like, talk about the plot twist back in sports history. Like, I could still remember that moment like it was yesterday, watching that press conference. Yeah, when I see these shoes, I just think about that moment. But enough about history and about my childhood. Let's talk about this golf shoe, all right? So, but before we get into the nitty gritty, I gotta know, are the Jordan 9s your favorite Jordans? Like, I know everyone loves the 1s, the 3s, the 11s, but I feel like these are underrated. And I feel like sometimes they don't get enough love. But let me know in the comments, like, are these your favorites, or which ones are your favorites? Alright, so here are the details on the Air Jordan 9 golf shoes. So they cost $230, and they got some outsoles with some retro upper featuring a patent leather, and these, honestly, they just look so sharp, and they look so much better in person than in the pictures. These shoes have 7 removable spikes, so traction won't be an issue at all. And plus, you gotta love the classic Air Jordan logo embroidered on the tongue, and the iconic number 23 on the heel, complete with that 3D Jumpman. The other thing too is these are really light, and so that's a huge plus as well too. So these shoes deliver. I've gone through a few rounds with these already, and surprisingly, these are more comfortable than they look. And the nice thing is that they don't also squeak or make strange sounds. I know Jordans have had some issues with that in the past, but these don't do that at all. And also, I really do like that these really keep your feet dry, and so the water won't come in at all, so you can just focus on your game and comfort instead of having like wet socks or any of that. The other thing too is that I actually, for me, I don't know why, but for the Jordans specifically, I always have to go a half size down, and so these are 10.5, but I'm usually at 11, but for some reason the 10.5 actually fits better for me. But I know some other people it's true to size, and so I don't know, that's just for me. So my other question for you guys, are you gonna rock these on the course? Let me know in the comments below. Maybe you have these already, and let me know what you think of them. And but other than that, appreciate you guys watching. And if you haven't hit that like and subscribe button, please hit that for more golf reviews and content. Until next time, keep swinging and stay fresh, and I'll talk to you guys next time.